I think. Ah, I'm recording now. It says so. Hi, let's see you come.
I don't have shoes on.
All right. Okay, that's. Now I'm zooming out so we can have it. Oh, it doesn't zoom out further than that.
Lots of snow.
Plenty. Look all around. The icicles. Yeah, on the house. There you are. Say hi. Hey.
Come get some soup.
Okay, I'm coming. It's cold. Woohoo! It's so cold out here. All right, we've got 20 minutes and 19 seconds. All around, it's just cold. Look at the birds. The birds are looking for something to eat. Oh, then Floppy comes along, and the birds are afraid of Floppy. Look at Floppy. There he is, and the birds are gone. Floppy says hi to the echo, but the birds are still feeding themselves on that bird feeder. And there's another one there on the bird feeder. Ain't that a lovely sight? Ain't that something? Yeah, ain't that something? Where's that bird? Well, thanks to Floppy, they're all gone now. Where's Floppy? He's barking out somewhere. I still have 19 minutes to go. There's our beautiful vase. Where are you, Floppy? Where are you, Floppy? Floppy, there you go. Come on in here, Floppy. Ah, it disappeared there. It disappeared behind that tree. Hoo-wee. All right, that's Floppy. Floppy is flopping a wonderful day. He's having a wonderful day.